Oh, hey guys, I forgot about this video, and I'm sorry for all that because don't have time, so I haven't video. Well, it's perfect. Videotaping the first one, the 8086. All right, let's return about 8086, and here's the best part. 11. I have 11 8086 Corolla cars custom with swap wheels. Now today, I do have the best part. And here's the best part. And here's my Corolla, and right here. This is number 12. Black spoke, 10 spoke wheels. Can't even see right. Here we go. Sorry. Here's the best part. I custom this car, the black rims, 5 point rim, custom car, black. 12, the 13, and 13 is the custom of 5 different rims, and also then the other car like that. And I have a lot of blue 5s, and also my first designing is the yellow rims. All right. Click like to subscribe this video if you like this channel. And here's that I did, my creation. Look at that. I'm going to review a new garage that I have creating. Wow. What do you guys think? It's awesome. Tuner Sports Turbo Garage. Datsun, Mazda, Mitsubishi, Subaru, and more. It's still in there. Let me turn on the light for you so you can see. I mean, look at all the dust. Look at all the dust. I'm sorry about that, guys. It's pretty dusty. I gotta get this, clean up all that dust. And my 8086. All right. Look how nice I did the garage. Exactly. And click like to subscribe if you're a new subscriber. And hope you enjoyed the video, the JDMs and Ford tuner cars. I'm gonna put a Ford logo on the sign of the garage. The Ford logo, if I have a chance. I'm gonna put DMC logo on this garage, and I hope you enjoyed the video. And look at my rarest car. This is my rare car, and yeah, custom Datsun 240Z, and I custom the Fairlady Z in blue. Let me see it later. Look, see. And this is the after Fairlady, after 240Z. And this is my on top of there. It's my Toyota premium Toyota Supras. And you can't even hear me. I'm up there because it was up here the whole time. And I got another one like those. Liberty Walk and more. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this if you like this video, comment down below which one is your favorite 8086 custom Toyota sport car. So see you later. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.